Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you can do it, and I'm gonna show you how. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the REALME Link application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the REALME Link application. To do it, press and hold on the REALME Link icon, like this. Once the menu appears, tap on the App Info, and you should see the App Info for the REALME Link. Now, we have the permission category, tap on it, and here we have the list of permissions. We have allowed and denied. Now, for the notifications to work, we need to allow call logs, contacts, phone, and SMS. So let's tap on call logs, tap on allow, go back. Then tap on the contacts, tap on allow, go back. Next tap on phone, tap on allow, go back. And SMS, tap on allow and go back. Once you allow the permissions, you can close this menu. Now we need to make sure that the notification access is enabled for the REALME Link application. To do it, let's open the settings on our phone. In settings, let's tap on the apps and notifications. Here tap on advanced, scroll down, tap on special app access, tap on notification access. Here find the REALME Link application on the list, tap on it. Tap on the button, tap on allow. Once it's enabled, you can go back, close the settings basically, and now we can open the REALME Link application on our phone. In the app, you should see the home page right here. You can tap on REALME Watch S to select it. And right here we have call reminders notifications. You can enable or disable the notifications for calls. So basically, if somebody is calling you on your phone, if it's enabled, you will get the reminder or notification that somebody is calling you. And you should see also the name of the contact or the phone number. And next category here is notifications. And right here we can customize the notifications for different things like SMS, maps, messages. Basically, we can do it for apps. Okay. So, to enable the notifications for calls, remember to enable this switch. To do it for the apps, tap on notifications. Here we can enable or disable the option to show messages only when the screen is off. So basically, if you're using your phone, the screen is on your phone, you won't receive the notifications on your watch if this option is enabled. And you can disable it if you want. Next we have notifications. We can enable them as whole. So basically, if you want to disable the notifications fully, you can tap on the switch right here to disable them or enable them. And here we can enable or disable the notifications for specific apps like SMS, maps, messages. So basically, if you want to receive the messages, you need to enable the notification for SMS and messages. And YouTube Music, you can also tap on more. And here you will have the list of apps installed on your phone, and you can enable the notifications for the apps on the list, as you can see. And once you're done, go back. And now the notification should work. So let's close the app. For example, open this app. This app basically generates the fake notifications on your phone. So let's generate one. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. I can also send myself a message on Discord, so let me close this. Send the Discord message. As you can see, I received the Discord message on the phone and also on our watch. If you missed the notification on your watch, you can check them by swiping downwards from the top of the screen after you wake up the screen. And here we have the notifications. You can tap on them to check them. You can also tap on the pen icon to clear the notifications like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.